ఆన్ స్క్రీన్ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ కనిపించగానే ఊర్వశి ఏంటంటే కొన్ని సీజనల్ చేంజెస్ చేసేస్తుంది. వింటర్ నుంచి సమ్మర్గా మారిపోతూ ఉంటుంది సీజన్ కూడా. సో రిక్వెస్టింగ్ ఊర్వశి టు ప్లీజ్ స్పీక్.
First of all, good evening, everyone. It's my pleasure to be here and wishing you all a very happy new year. And as you can see that our film is releasing Daku Maharaj on 12th of January. So please do go and watch it in theaters. It's a, it is a family film and you all are going to enjoy it. But I'm extremely grateful for all the love which we've been receiving from all over the globe, especially for Dabidi Dibidi and for the film itself, the trailer. Both the trailers and the Dabidi Dibidi, they have crossed, they're almost about to touch 20 million views on YouTube, which is such a big mark in such a short span of time. So it wouldn't have been possible without all you audiences. And I want to thank to, the God of masses, Balakrishna Garuji, that, to have me and in the part of your aura kind of, energy, which all your audiences, all your fans really, really enjoy. I think it has been such a big treat to be able to work with you, or I think it's a blessing at the same time, because I have to call him the youngest and the most energetic. You are the most youngest on the set, or maybe like here. The kind of energy you have is par excellence, and thank you so much. Seriously, when I say it from my heart that it is a blessing to work with you, and we all learned from you the kind of passion you have towards your work, the childlike innocence you have. It is marvelous. And then I just want to thank everybody, and especially I'll just go one by one. Thaman, especially. I think you are a musical genius. The kind of sounds which you kind of create, and especially with Dabidi Dibidi as well, I could see a lot of different kinds of sounds which I've never heard before. As a listener or as an audience, I think you are just so epic. And please keep on giving such an amazing music to Indian cinema. You have so many fans worldwide, but the kind of, it was a treat and a gift from your side to all of us. And thank you so much again for making Dabidi Dibidi and adding your magical touch to it. And then, I'm also very thankful to Vijay ji, our DOP, and thank you so very much. When I was working with you, I could see that, during our yoga shots and all, the kind of magic which you created on set, especially the cinematic magic, it was out of the world, and it has been such a treat working with you. I've never worked with such an amazing DOP other than you, because I think you truly create a magic on screen, I must say. When I saw the shot for the first time, I was really amazed. We all were amazed, actually, when he lit up that shot, and especially with all the scenes. And I don't know, where is our producers? I think he's not here.
He is looking at the release.
Achha, okay. Extremely grateful to them, Sitara Entertainments, for backing up such a great project. To especially Nagavamshi Garu and the entire team. Sorry if I'm missing out on anyone, but thank you so much for making such an amazing films and music. At the same time, last but not the least, I want to thank the biggest superstar, which is our Bobby Garu. Thank you. A big round of applause for him. Thank you so much. I think you were such an amazing, you're by far the most amazing director I've ever worked with. Most wonderful one. And the kind of storytelling, and I just feel like you are a legend, because the kind of films you've made till now, each and everything, the kind of success rate he has, he knows the impulses of the entire audiences from the entire India, and all of your fans especially, they all are excited to see what you've created on 12th of January. And it is, again, as I said, like a blessing. Thank you so very much for such a world-class opportunity, and for making such a big film. And the kind of trust and faith I have in you is more than what I have in myself. We all have tremendous faith in you, and thank you so much. Keep making such an amazing films day by day, and I really hope and I'm praying that, you know, it really breaks all your film's records and it emerges like a victory at the Makar Sankranti's Daku Maharaj. We all are praying really hard. So thank you so very much. Thanks from the bottom of my heart. Also, I want to thank two wonderful, ultra gorgeous, beautiful, stunning actresses, Pragya Jaiswal, Shraddha Srinath, who I'm meeting for the first time. I'm really mesmerized with all your acting skills. You in Jersey, the Telugu version, it was really amazing. Your acting skills are par excellent. Same for you, Pragya. You are so gorgeous, and you know you have a very different and very beautiful aura. So I mean, you know, it is my pleasure to meet both of you, such a beautiful actresses. And hello to you. Hi. We're waiting for the first time, but so nice to see you. And our fight master, especially. I don't know, आप मेरे से नजरें क्यों चुरा रहे हैं, वेंकट जी? But the kind of he has a very different level of friendship with the director. They all are always together, like a, I don't know, like a jodi they have. So yeah, but thank you so much for giving me such an amazing action sequences and for trusting me with all the kind of action which we have done in the film, which is going to be like a surprise. I'm sorry, I've said such a long speech, but I'm going to finish it. But thank you so much. Thanks to all the members of media for supporting our film. And don't forget Daku Maharaj, 12th of January.
Yes.
Thank
Book
you.
My showలో టికెట్స్ ఆల్రెడీ ఓపెన్ అయిపోయాయి, మీరు బుకింగ్ చేసేసుకోవచ్చు. అండ్ వన్ లాస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ వన్ క్వాలిటీ దట్ యూ వాంట్ టు స్టీల్ ఫ్రమ్ బాలకృష్ణ గారు?
Oh my God, I want to steal a lot of qualities from him. He is filled with a lot of qualities. I think his energy, I want to be as energetic as him. And I wish, like, how he's so open and so, how he is like just so himself. You know, he does whatever he feels like. I wish I could have that kind of quality. And of course, he is such a big legendary superstar actor and a politician. Congratulations to you, sir. I really hope that, you know, I can have like a amazing, like a filmography just like him. So yeah.
Thank you so much. I asked for one quality, but I think you have a list of qualities.
Yeah, because he has so many qualities. How can I say one quality about a person who is so magnanimous? Like,
Got that. Thank you so much. And మీరు కొత్తగా రిలీజ్ అయిన ట్రైలర్ చూసారా?
yeah.
The new trailer, did you watch the new
Yes,
trailer?
yes, I've
So
seen
shall we watch it once again
Oh yeah, okay.
with Balay Babu garu together?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so let's
please.
have the release trailer, please. Thank you so much, Urvashi. Lovely, lovely. Thank you.